Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you don't know the thing set. Well, please, hope you're having a wonderful day today. But boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, we got a whole lot to discuss in this one. So it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with the story. Wait, Aidonia, you don't know the thing said. The police them run up in our house, up in St. Andrew. You see my say, nothing illegal was found, but them gone with 2 men for pending investigations. You see my said, them a do a big sweep uptown, them and look for a bag of people and things, and unfortunately, Aidonia house was under the microscope. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Nevertheless, people, Aidonia co-worker, yes, Iwaata, name I get caught up in a bagger. You see my son with Iwaata and him cousin Jamie, who lost his life the other day up at one river, the Manchester Clarendon border. You see my son, rumors are spreading that, it's because of Iwaata why him cousin lose him life, You see it. So let's get to what they're saying, right? So the sender started off saying, good morning, had my ID. Iwaata is the head of corruption. Imagine him and the 2 youths them grow up together and him stand aside and watch them, blank them, self. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And after I asked a few questions, Sender went on to say, yeah, the next youth name, them one, aka Demar, all of them grow up together and a par. Iwaata cause all of this. This is my say, entire people. Entire people. Iwaata know them. Yeah, I got dead. And him know when Gregory I got dead. Him a corruption. Me live there, so me know everything. Him cause the 2 youth them for drop out. So yeah, that's what the streets is saying. Say, Jamie dad passed away. Just like he passed away. So them say the cycle no broke. And all of these things, he was planning on going to America, like within a week or 2, in a short span, you see me? So we don't know if that had a reason to, You see me, I say, but when we get more information from the sender, we'll be sure to post it for you. So I'm going to do the right thing and subscribe to the channel, you see it? The next trending topic I see out of Jamaica have to deal with Jake. Jake said no more green screens for him on TikTok because him a move out a big mouth Rosealee house so she can't get back her spot because the girl does a chat. And I bring him down and all of these things I want 20,000, in child support fees. But I'm inclined to believe Jake is really pushing to get him own apartment because, him can't bring Chevy go Rosealee mother yard and go dig her out, So I say, cause Chevy is planning to come down to Jamaica to come do some things. This is my say. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
Accent, I'm out here, man. I tell you, say me I move out tomorrow. We are going to have a small apartment tomorrow. Go easy.
That is it. Progress.
You green.
Also, because you're the way they have used green screen, I'm okay, love.
Yeah, I have to use green screen right there, so.
Okay, boy, good. Okay.
Other, you never hear me say other.
Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
I'm going to repeat myself over and over again.
Pick up on yourself, appreciate
Sherry.
love and love alone.
Now move, Sherry. I can't get moderator in there for my life and everything. I'll come over my life sometime and everything.
Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
When our apartment tomorrow either. Tomorrow and Friday. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah. Inside now one small apartment and still can start talking this. I think my house finished though. Somebody help me with it. I can't afford an apartment. So I'm being assist. So.
Nothing, you good?
You okay? So them say over here pissed off and ignorant and smile and say yes, man. Come to you. Let's tell the people them say, they move on. So I can't go on with a reason to fall back.
You invited me, you know. Why are you asking me? I'm not micromanaging you. You invited me. So don't make people feel like it's me that's trying to kidnap you or adult nap you or anything. You don't ask me for your permission to.
That's my request.
I don't know what you're concerned. Stop it. I don't know.
That's my request and just show me the answer at the same time I start dry. The people them tell me.
What does that mean?
Them tell me.
Who told you what? Block whoever said. Do you know what? Can you run my other account? Anyway, I'm not stopping you from reasoning with your people, so don't ask me next thing. That's going to be the next thing. You have to ask Chevy for permission to hold the reasoning. Remember, you're the man, baby. You're in control.
So far.
Bye.
Yeah, the announcement, I come from next year, say. I move out. Tomorrow, I'm going to go live, you know, and I have to use a green screen and so, you know what I mean? You know, I'm being assist with the apartment. I'm not paying for any apartment. What I'm doing right now is finishing my own for the kids. You understand? So I'm being assist with that. You see, no longer help me out because you want to shut down bye-bye again. A long time now, you hear the voice now on background, they will have your background and my background now since we started streaming. You understand? So that's the main reason why, the main reason for me being assist right there. We're in our apartment tomorrow, either.
It's a good look, but honestly, people, I think Rosealee is listening to Diamond too much, and you know, she's basically don't want Rosealee to go back to you know who. You see me, I said Jakes. You feel what I mean? And she know damn well AKEEM don't want her, you see me? You know what I mean? So I think Rosealee, I don't want to say she's hyping up herself, but I think she needs to reconcile with Jakes. Nevertheless, let's see what I'm going to deal with, you see me? Because she said she can't cook and wash. Baggy for her pitney, them, you see me?
Boss gas, yeah. The man who want me. It tastes fucking good. Any man who want me. Now you don't know what I do. Won't you say a bowl of slush? You won't you some cook? But they can't cook the same thing. I'm not playing in the kitchen. Go rich. What you know? Rich and thick. Take off the filter, look at that plate. Let's not do it. I don't say nothing to it. I have great men reach and keep on that plate by pot blood. Meanwhile, their companion or tell to the night. You never know how you I want to cut soup, the garden.
Shade was around with that kitchen. Mvder, I was a cook.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I'm not confused me.
I'm blind again, I'm blind. Hey!
That mean I go put some rice.
No rice no there.
Here.
No eat. No,
I go buy Burger King.
Man, you're cooking.
No, this can't work, you know. This can't go buy Burger King, cause...
So now soup is a cooking, I go for
no, I go for the belly months. Not already. Let me back up. Me don't nobody hit me. Back up.
Chat is saying hi.
Back up. Let me cook my food. Back up. Let me never take myself say, alright then, me not go survive without you, me move my camera. Excuse me. Survival of the fittest. See this.
Yeah, ugly.
Osh.
Yeah, ugly.
Hold on, me no want whole pepper. That's spice, man.
That pepper, I think it's a mine.
Yeah, man, look man, the seed.
You're not afraid of pepper, just cut piece of it. She ugly, chat.
Look about the burger, and I'm show me about the burger. But me don't go to me that because I'm man, me no eat.
You're tormented, you know?
No, me there, you have to eat some man. You go mad out.
I think seafood, boy. I want my big sashes. This is crab come.
You want this crab?
No, man, that I want to bust up them too.
Now, see mobile man. So, how fish up?
Not a man.
We go buy burger when we done. So, if you wore them we are talking about, make your blood clad cook the coffee filter. I'm only on blood clad ring because I cook my food. I'm not playing a kitchen.
Yes, friend.
I'm not playing a kitchen.
Could you look good on the stove?
I thought someone is telling me about it because they look good on the stove. So I don't want to start the podcast. Yeah, munch don't know so I all in one pot. So I cook me them already. I mean my own ingredients.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. If Aidonia makes any comment towards, him us being rushed or anything, we'll be sure to let you know. So do the right thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest one. Bless.